Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to organize your inventory using product variants, bundles, and packaging. Product variants are the same products but slightly differ in some characteristics. Usually variants are used for sizes, but also you can create different variants for different colors or for products with different details. We do not recommend creating too many variants for the product. If it's possible to maintain product as a separate product card, better to create a separate product card. Now I will show you how to create variants in Kladana. For example, I want to create variants by sizes for t-shirt blue. I open t-shirt card, tab variants, press plus variant button. In the pop-up I need to set up the attributes of the variants. In my case, size is the attribute and small, medium, large are the values. Click on create variants button. Now 3 variants have been created. I can open the product variants card, let it be M. You can see that image, reorder point and prices are the same as for the parent card, but I can also change them. Description and barcode should be filled for each variant. They are not used from the parent card. Also different prices can be set up for the variants. In the stock report, you can see the stock level for each variant. For that, open stock report, I choose t-shirt bookmark. All variants with their stock level are shown. To see all variants, ensure that in the column view setting, show by variants is chosen. That's all about variants. Now I will show you another option to organize your inventory bundles. The bundle is a set of products and maybe services that are sold as a unit. You can sell both bundles or its components, but you can track stock level only for the components. You can see different examples of using bundles. Some of them are not trivial. For example, if you sell pizza or sandwiches and prepare such food to customers' orders. You can create such products as bundles. It is convenient if you use the same ingredients to make different finished items. Now I will show you how to create and sell a bundle item in Kladana. Let's imagine I'm selling honey in jars 200 ml and 300 ml. I receive honey in big volumes and store it in a big tank. After receiving an order from a customer, I pour it in appropriate jars and sell them. I do not store honey in jars in stock. I store just honey and different empty jars. To create an item honey in jar, I use plus bundle button, fill in the name of the product, check unit of measurements, in my case it's pieces. Then go to the tab items in bundles and add items. In my case it's jar 200 milliliters and honey. Pay attention, I store honey in liters, so I choose 0.2 liters from my bundle. Kladana calculates cost of the bundle based on the sales prices of the included items. But to set up the sales prices for the bundle, I go to the prices tab and fill the sales price. Let it be 300 and save the bundle card. Now let's see the stock report. Stock level is shown only for the components. In my case, they are honey in liters and different jars. Now let's sell 5 bundles. I go to the sales order and create the sales order for honey in jar 200 milliliters. Kladana shows me that available maximum are 30 pieces. I save the order and create related shipment. In the profit report, I see that I sold honey in jars as an item and some related numbers like quantity and profit. If I analyze stock movement for honey and jars, in stock movement report, I will see the movement only for the components. Packaging is one more type how you can organize your inventory. Usually they are used if you sell the same item by one piece or in packs. If you receive in packs, if you store in packs and take inventory counts in packs. To create a packaging, open a product card, packaging tab, press plus packaging button. For protein bar, I will create 2 packaging. First, pack with 12 items. Second, box with 60 items. Also, I can fill in or generate the barcodes. Barcodes are useful if you receive items with barcodes for packs, or you generate your own barcodes, print and stick them on the boxes. So while scanning packaging barcode during inventory counts or receiving or shipment, item line will be created and quantity of the item will be equal to the appropriate packaging. Pay attention. Packaging does not have its own price. If you sell pack of items for lower price than all these items by one, you need to create a bundle because you can set up special price for bundles or create a separate product card for the pack. Let's imagine that I have received two boxes of protein bars to stock and I need to record them. For that, I go to Purchases, Receivings, and create new receivings. In the receiving, I fill in protein bar and Kladana proposes me to choose units of measurements, pieces, pack, or boxes. I choose boxes and put the quantity to. Kladana shows me that in basic units it will be 120 pieces. Save the receiving. When I create sales orders for the same item again, I can choose in which units of measurements to sell. Pieces, packs, or boxes. I save the sales order and then add related shipment. Save the shipment. After these two transactions, let's see what stock movement report shows. For protein bar, stock in is 120 pieces and stock out is 12 pieces. Everything is measured in basic units, pieces for that item. That is all about variants, bundles, and packaging. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.